What's up, my Royal Flush? It is RJ Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video is going to be a 10-minute makeup challenge. Y'all, like, this is about to be crazy. I got inspired from this video by Sincerely Nico. He did the 5-minute makeup challenge, but I'm like, there's no way I can do my full face in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna try 10 minutes, so that's pretty much it. So I asked some people on Twitter as well, like, what should I do? I did a little poll on Twitter. So yeah, I asked them and they voted, I think it was 67%. They voted the 10-minute makeup challenge. So this is about to be so crazy, y'all. Like, I've never rushed to do my makeup before, but this is about to be so crazy. So yeah, y'all, let's just get into this video. Before we actually get into this video, please, y'all, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal Flush family here on my side of YouTube. And also, right next to the subscribe button, hit that bell notification button as well, because y'all do not want to be left out of the loop of like my videos. I'm trying to upload at least 3 videos a week. So yeah, 3 or maybe 2 at the most. At the most 2, but 3 initially, which is Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. No, what the fuck? Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if by, you know, anything, I might miss Wednesday, if anything. Also, at any point in this video, if you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back and my sponge is damp. So let's, y'all, I'm scared. Okay, I'm about to start off with the All-Star Primer. You do not need primer. Like, if you want to rush, y'all, forget the primer. I can just say that to y'all right now. Just forget the primer. If you do your eyebrows first, do not do your eyebrows first. Okay, foundation, matte and poreless foundation by Maybelline. Let me just pull out. Shoot. Why did my screen recording stop? And I'm not editing this part either. Like, the intro was like basically edited, so you know I'm not you know I'm not trying to cheat, basically. Come on, bitch. Yeah. Yes, put the foundation on your eyelids as well. ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Oh my god, oh my god. Maybelline Fit Me powder. Ooh, 5 minutes left. Oh my god. Shit. Shoot, 4 minutes left. Set in my face, LA Girl Pro face powder. I need to hurry up, stop playing. That's how this fucking is wrong. If you do you only have like 10 minutes to get ready to go somewhere, you not gonna have time to do your eyeshadow. Like, eyeshadow's just out the fucking window. Just give up on that. Coffee and Cocoa palette, Deja Vu contour. Okay. Where's my brush? Where is my contour brush? Just deepen this shit up. Butter bronzer. 3 minutes left. Shit. And you can say fuck it to contouring your nose too, y'all. So that's out the door. Blush. Where's my blush? Shit. 3. What the fuck? Morphe blush palette. Dust off this bake shit. I swear half of my time of me doing my makeup is me looking for shit. Like, I'm not even playing with y'all. It's me literally looking for shit. Calm this fucking color and shit. Put some color back in my cheeks. ColourPop setting spray. Mascara. The face is pretty much, what the fuck? Face is pretty much done. Mascara, Maybelline Big Shot. I told y'all, half of this time is me looking for shit. Oh my god. I failed. Oh my god. Half of this fucking time I was looking for shit. Like, if I had everything laid out in front of me, I would be Gucci. Like, I would be good. Like, but me, I'm looking for fucking mirrors and other shit. Yeah, like, my brows not really a problem. I really don't care. about my brows. I'm about to stop. My base looks good though. It's crazy how like fast I completed my base. Base looks good. That's about it. The only thing I'm missing is like some lipstick or lip gloss, and some bottom mascara. So I don't know about y'all, but I completed this. Like, I completed this challenge. I really did. I did a good ass job. Like, my face looks, my base looks like you don't need to wear lashes. You don't need to wear lashes. I don't. Eyebrows, you can literally just pop on some mascara to bring some drama back to your eyebrows if you want that. Like that, bring some color back to them. See, that's all you gotta do with that. See, like your eyebrows back. That's all you gotta do, really. Like if you want to rush mascara, if you want to, you can put like a darker bronzer or something in your crease. Like you could do something like that. So yeah, you guys, this pretty much concludes today's video. It is a 10-minute makeup challenge video, which I feel like I kind of completed, but I didn't really complete at the same time. It's like for a rush, like I don't know, I just take longer to do everything. My base looks good. Like that's really what you really have to mainly take your time with is your base, and I just completed my base in 10 minutes. So I just completed my base in 10 minutes. So that, you know, now with eyebrows, you don't have to do your eyebrows. You can just put like some mascara on it to bring some color back into them. You don't have to do all that extra stuff and do your eyebrows. Just pop on some mascara, lip gloss, and be out the fucking door. Highlighter, where I literally forgot to put on highlighter. Well, like, you know, I forgot, okay? Okay, y'all, I hope y'all did enjoy this video, this 10-minute makeup challenge that y'all voted for on Twitter. And if you did like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button right before you go. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.